This is U.S. District Court. If you go into this courthouse and get my paperwork from David Kamenetz, he's the clerk of the court of Judge Bennett. Judge Bennett got my paperwork, all right? Filed it over 6 years ago. That's WBAL down there. And Marilyn Mosby supposed to be coming in here at 2 o'clock, but I guess she missed it. Or they figured out something else to do. Last night at the town hall, Ivan Bates didn't want to talk to me, but this is what we was going to talk about, all right? Crime and justice, and it ain't going to be just us in 2023. That's Ivan Bates. This is legal mail for Ivan Bates. That's Ivan Bates, all right? And we talking about criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. Shorty, pull your mask up. That's me at City Hall. This is me at the Supreme Court. Like I said, I was making a documentary about the courts. The new face of old Jim Crow. The new faces of old Jim Crow. That's the 7th Amendment. All right? That's the 13th Amendment. Or the 8th Amendment. All right? And that's Shorty in his grill. That's the Supreme Court. Right here. And that's Senator Ben Cardin. He got this too. We're going to the Supreme Court with this. City, county, state, and federal levels. I've exhausted my remedies under the law. So you got to give me that access. Public Accommodations Act. Martin Luther King gave us that in 1964. Public Accommodations Act. I own shorties. I own all parts of me. I've been owning me since 1998. You feel me? That's Natasha. It's a whistleblower on the courts. A whistleblower on the courts. Your first 100 days, you've been protecting white supremacy. Your first 100 days, you've been keeping their secrets. Your first 100 days, gonna be your last. We going to court with this. You're an officer of the court and you got evidence and knowledge of corruption in the courts. You're not gonna be selling black bodies into slavery. That ain't gonna happen. Crime and justice, it ain't gonna be just us. Dwayne Shorty Davis. Political prisoner, N62528, Department of Justice number, Baltimore block. I'm an activist. That's President Barack Obama. All right? And that's a legal notice that you got. So like I said, that's the FBI tapes. That's Governor Hogan. I'm an activist in Baltimore. The best of the best. Activism ain't against the law. I learned from him.